Hello friends, I am Mukesh Dhanuka. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Institute of Mathematics and Physics. In the chapter of derivative, now we'll see that what's the derivative of parametric function. What do you mean parametric function? Let's define it by sometimes what happen x and y are given as function of another variable say t. कब कब क्या होता है कुछ टाइम्स x और y इनडायरेक्ट डायरेक्ट x और y के बीच में रिलेशन नहीं देके क्या होता है x फंक्शन ऑफ t दिया होगा एंड y इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ दैट t इज अनदर वेरिएबल देन t इज कॉल्ड द पैरामीटर। बात को समझने की कोशिश करो। कुछ टाइम कुछ सिचुएशन पे क्या होता है x और y के बीच में रिलेशन नहीं दिया जाता है बट इट इज गिवन दैट x इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ t एंड y इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ t। व्हाट इज दैट t? t is called the parameter. So I am written that sometimes x and y are given as function of some another variable say it t. Clear? That means x is a function of t and y is a function of t. So इस रिलेशन पे क्या हो रहा है x और y के बीच में कोई रिलेशन नहीं दिया है बट मुझे पता है x फंक्शन ऑफ t है एंड y भी वही फंक्शन ऑफ t है अलग कुछ फंक्शन लेकिन t is the common variable. Then in that case how can I find dy by dx? So I can find dy by dx as dy by dt because y is a function of t here, so I can find dy by dt. Again x is also function of t, I can find dx by dt. So how can I find dy by dx? So dy by dx कैसे निकलेगा? Just divide dy by dt divided by dx by dt. For example, simple example से start करते हैं. Suppose example दिया मुझे x is equal to 8 square and y is equal to 280, right? And I have to find dy by dx. तो पहला काम क्या होगा मुझे dx by dt निकाल देते हैं. What is the derivative of x with respect to t? तो a is a constant, 2 का 2t square derivative 2t. And what is the dy by dt? So 2a t derivative 1. So what is the dy by dx? By the formula we have dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So what is the derivative of dy? y2a into 2a t. So 2a to a cancel, this is answer is 1 by t. So what we get the derivative of dy by dx as 1 by t. Some more example we'll see. Suppose x is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta and y is equal to given as a into theta plus sin theta. So here x and y are given as function of theta. Here theta is the parameter, right? Now what we'll find dx by d theta, right? Because x is the function of theta here. So a is a constant, 1 is a constant, the derivative is 0 minus cos theta derivative is minus sin theta. So minus into minus plus. That is what is dy by d theta. What we have is a constant. Theta derivative with respect to theta is 1. Sin theta derivative is cos theta. So what we get dy by dx is what? This is dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So what is dy by theta? A into 1 plus cos theta divided by a into sin theta. So a cancel, what we get 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. And you know the 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. मैंने चार का इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूला बताया था 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta, 1 plus sin 2 theta and 1 minus sin 2 theta. वहीं से ये चीज आया है. एंड ये क्या है 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. 2 to cancel, cos cancel, we get cot theta by 2. So what we get dy by dx is nothing but cot theta by 2. Note it down. Okay, next number we'll see. Question is given that if x is equal to 2 cos theta minus cos 2 theta means y is given as 2 sin theta minus sin 2 theta, find dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 2. Some additional thing is given. We have to find dy by dx at pi by 2. So what we have to find, what is dx by d theta? So what's the derivative of 2 sin theta? 2 cos theta is 2 minus 2 sin theta. Cos 2 theta is minus into minus plus sin 2 theta into 2, right? Next, what is the dy by d theta? So what if we have 2 cos theta minus sin 2 theta, it is cos 2 theta into 2, right? Now what is the dy by dx? Is dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So what do we have? 2 common आ गया वहां से, cos theta minus cos 2 theta by 2 common आ गया इधर sin 2 theta minus sin theta. So हमने ये चीज निकल लिया. मुझे मांगा है h theta equal to pi by 2. So h theta is equal to pi by 2. Just you have to put theta in place, pi by 2 in place of theta. What is the dy by dx? So cos pi by 2 minus cos 2 into pi by 2 by cos 2 into pi by 2 minus sin pi by 2. And you know that cos pi by 2 is 0. Cos pi is what? Minus 1 by sin 2. Sin pi is 0 and sin pi by 2 is 1. So we get minus 1. So here we have theta at theta equal to pi by 2, we have dy by dx equal to minus 1. Okay, so this type of question we may expect in this topic. Okay, so one more question I will give to you. So it is given that if x is equal to root over of a sin inverse t, and given that y is equal to root over of a to power cos inverse t, find dy by dx. We have to find dy by dx. Okay, so what is that given? What is that? We have to find what is dx by dt, because x is a function of t here. So one thing we can do, what's the derivative? This one is root over derivative 1 by 2 root over, right? 1 by 2 root over of a sin inverse t, and a sin inverse का derivative क्या होता है? A sin inverse t into ln a into sin inverse t का derivative root over of 1 minus t square. पूरा चेन रूल का यहाँ पर इन्वॉल्वमेंट है. तो चेन रूल पे हिसाब से फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रूट ओवर का डेरिवेटिव 1 by 2 रूट ओवर, अंदर को से a मिला, a टू पावर समथिंग का डेरिवेटिव, a टू पावर x का डेरिवेटिव होता है a टू पावर x ln a, राइट? तो a टू पावर sin इनवर्स t into ln a, नेक्स्ट sin इनवर्स t का डेरिवेटिव 1 by root over 1 minus t square. So this must we have dx by dt. थोड़ा सा सिंपलीफाई फॉर्म पे लिखते हैं. This is nothing but x. I can replace it by x. ये चीज क्या है? This is nothing but x square ln a divided by 1 minus t square लिख सकता हूँ. रहने देता हूँ. Now we'll find what is dy by dt. So क्या होगा? 1 by 2 root over of a cos inverse t, right? Next a to power cos inverse t into ln a into cos inverse का डेरिवेटिव root over of 1 minus x square into minus 1 minus t square, right? यहाँ पर भी कुछ रिप्लेस कर देते हैं. This is nothing but 1 by 2y. This is nothing but y square and into ln a into minus 1 by root over of 1 minus t square. Now what is dy by dx? Nothing but dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So what we have dy by dt? 1 by 2y, y square कैंसिल हो जाएगा, y लिख सकते हैं, ये y कैंसिल हो गया. दिस इज सिंपली y by 2 ln a minus 1 by root over 1 minus t square by कैंसिल हो गया x by 2 ln a 1 by root over 1 minus t square. तो ये कैंसिल, खाली माइनस बचा, ln a कैंसिल, 2 कैंसिल, so we get minus y by x. So this is the required result. Okay, so in this topic we can get this type of question, and we can again come back to this topic while I will define what's a double order derivative, second order derivative. Again we can get a question or parametric question in case of double derivative. Okay, for the next 10 we will see what is the second order derivative, and I will show that how can I find the derivative of second order derivative for parametric function, and that is the important question for 4 marks or 2 marks question. Thank you for watching the video.